What is up, interwebs? Hey, I want to say I was very, very reluctant to make this video, and I will tell you why. There is a growing trend within the, I don't want to say the economic community, but there's a growing trend within the economic community that if you don't spout off what you hear verbatim, then you must be disagreeing with a person. I want to assure you that this is not the case. Also, I would want to assure you that I present the following information in order to help. That is my intention here. And before I get crazy, I will just plainly say it. Slander is an actionable offense by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The definition of slander is to state something that is not true. Now, the reason why I say this is because there is growing momentum about the silver trust from iShares not having the physical silver to back up the ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Funds. Now, the reason why this is bad to say is because it could affect what would be a very real investment possibly. And unless you know 100% for sure and are willing to stand up in court, then you need to avoid publishing such statements. To publish such statements is in fact slanderous. And what will happen is when you face the penalties for such statements, is it will then be attacked and pointed out that you have an interest in the opposition, which would be physical silver. And believe me, for the SEC to state one thing about another investment just to prove your own investment's validity is nothing new to the market. Please consider this just a public service announcement because I do in fact care. I mean, this stuff can get real in a hurry, and I wouldn't want to see anybody get hurt. And I don't want you to misunderstand me and just assume that, well, gee whiz, because I point something out means that I disagree with your conclusions, okay? What I am stating is that in other subjects and in other issues, it's very free to state your opinion. However, when it comes to investments and business and corporations, it's a little bit more strict, and the guidelines are very rigid. So y'all be careful out there, and thank you so much for your time and for hearing me out.